Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make reflection in Figma. First, select the object you wish to reflect and duplicate it. This creates an identical copy. Next, with the duplicated object selected, use the flip vertical option to invert its orientation. Finally, carefully position this flipped copy directly beneath your original object, leaving a small, consistent gap between them. This forms the basic structure of your reflection, setting the stage for further enhancements. Now, let's add a realistic fade to our reflection. Select the flipped object and apply a linear gradient fill. For the top color stop of this gradient, set its opacity to 0%, making it completely transparent. Then, for the bottom color stop, reduce its opacity to a subtle value, perhaps 10%. This creates a smooth, natural transition, mimicking how reflections gradually disappear, adding depth and realism to your design. To make your reflection appear even more natural and less sharp, we'll introduce a blur effect. Select your reflection layer and navigate to the Effects panel. Apply a layer blur and adjust the blur radius. A value between 5 and 15 pixels often works well, depending on your design. Additionally, consider reducing the overall opacity of the reflection layer to around 30 to 50%. This softens the effect, making it blend seamlessly with the background. For more advanced and creative reflections, consider using a mask. You can draw a custom shape and use it to mask your reflection, creating unique visual effects. Also, try slightly adjusting the reflection's color to match ambient lighting or surrounding elements, enhancing realism. Finally, always remember to group your original object and its reflection together. This ensures they move and scale as one unit, simplifying your design workflow significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.